Itanao ambany spotlight amle dress code black and white Stahem kifanao Tritra le fandizanao Eo fa meko pify anao Fa le refityza rao Meo anaty Aleo kilo amle fandihanao mamofofona Oh my god Sipative gasy mahitanao mandihy Ohatrany mandratra maso Mijanona fotoana marapatapitry le vazo Rareva Amerikazy Ohatry le Las Vegas Te sa manofonofo mahitanao aminofo Mamirapiratra le atsembohana aminofo Yeah Life is beautiful Rehefa eo le matisika lao
She's so bright by my side She's like a superstar with a smile That girl is so bright by my side She's like a superstar with a style 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 Saku mila dose tonight Mila just post tonight Mr. Air Pharaoh in the house tonight Samila turf tonight, Samila Murph tonight Oh yeah, okay, here we go Yep, my DJ, here we go Light up the floor, we put on the shoulder Some green, some red spotlights Oh, we're in the club tonight THT is on the club tonight Come taps and tundra and vibes So if I own them taps, I just hit the lights I wanna see the chick move her body It ain't no stopping, I'm goose about it Let's do the party, all upon it Choose a card, let's get it started Yeah, yeah Cause we make you feel like Yeah, yeah Just right under the spotlight Yeah, yeah Cause we make you feel like Yeah, yeah Just right under the spotlight 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 The spotlight
Oh baby girl she's so old My pini motherfucker Savin tamba savin poco In this spot lady Just move your body Them taps are sana You're so body, you're so body Move somebody You're so pretty I'll be a dingy my lady You're my queen in this party I'm